What I want to show you now is a simple aiming system. And first we need to talk about what is aiming. Aiming is pointing at something. And what do we have as pool players to point with? We have our stick. So we're going to build an aiming system based on pointing our stick at something. So all shots will start at the vertical axis, the center of the cue ball, and we've got 4 places to point. And the first place we're going to point is from the center of the cue ball. Because it's straight, we're pointing straight at the 1 ball. And we call this shot number 1. Okay, shot number 2, and I'm using Centennial balls here. And one of the things about Centennial balls that is not true of other balls is that the stripe is half a ball wide. And as you can see here, if we line this up, that the stripe is exactly half a ball wide. So when these shots are almost straight and they're off just a little, we aim at the equator. We point our stick from the center, the vertical axis of the cue ball, to the blue and white stripe at the equator. This is shot number 2. Shot number 3 is when it's a little more of a cut, we point our stick from the vertical axis of the cue ball to the edge at the equator of the 3 ball, the object ball. So I'm pointing right at the edge. And shot number 4, when it's a little thinner, is we point our stick from the vertical axis of the cue ball to outside the edge, probably having the right side of our shaft pointing at the left edge of the object ball. Shot number 4. Now, about 65–70% of the shots you will play are just pointing your stick from the vertical axis of the cue ball to the edge of the object ball at the equator. And that's shot number 3. That's the stick aiming method. If you like these videos, make sure you hit subscribe, hit like, and make sure you visit us at our channel, CueMasterPoolSchool.com.